So of course, to create these hairstyles, we are going to need some scarves. These first 3 are from Madewell, and the last one is a much larger one from Lulu's. I fold the scarves in a triangle first, and then so the little ends don't poke out, I actually start folding backwards from that little point so you have a nice flush end. And I do the same thing with the oversized Lulu scarf as well. This is how the scarves are folded for all of the hairstyles, so I just wanted to show you guys that really quickly. The only other accessories we're going to need are bobby pins. I like to use flat ones as well as these double helix looking ones. They're really great for securing top knots. A subscriber told me about these and I love them, but they are optional. Okay, so let's move on to the styles. For me, I'm starting with second day hair that has no product in it. I just prefer how my hair looks when I'm doing these scarf styles, but feel free to style your hair as normal. First, we're going to loop together a scarf so it creates almost like a ponytail holder type size. And I'm going to pull my hair half up, half down. I love these styles. Pull the hair through the little scarf opening we made and then tighten it. So then I'm going to take the 2 tail ends of the scarf, flip them around the back of my hair to secure it a bit more. And you can leave the style like this, or a little tip, if you fold the tails back again and create a little bow, this is going to give you more volume in your ponytail, and this is the first style. So next we are going to be doing just a very basic headband style. I'm just wrapping the scarf around my neck, pulling my hair through, and then leaving my front layers out and tying my hair, or tying the scarf up into a headband. And this is a really simple style. Basically, all of these styles are really simple, and it's just kind of to give you inspiration. Then, building off of the last look, we're going to gather our hair into a half up, half down little bun, secure that with some bobby pins, and that is the next style. Okay, building off of this style one more time, we're going to gather some hair for another half up, half down look, but this time we're going to be going with a top knot that is a bit higher up. Again, secure that with some bobby pins and you are good to go. Also, if you're like me and the scarves can tend to slide throughout the day, you can go ahead and secure the sides with some bobby pins so it stays in place and you don't have to worry about it sliding backwards. Again, the next look is really simple. I am just putting my hair up so I can actually tie the scarf. This time you're going to have the points at the nape of your neck, and always double knot the scarves so they stay nice and secure, obviously. I'm going to let my hair down, and this is, again, a really simple headband, hair down type look that I really like. Okay, so now we're moving on to the larger scarf. We're basically going to use this the same exact way we do the other one. I just tie it off a bit differently. So I'm just sectioning off my top layers again, and we're going to tie this as though we are putting our hair in a headband. But with this scarf, as you can see, I'm making it so it's almost like a bow, and then I'm going to tuck that little tail back underneath, and then we're going to grab our hair in a really messy big bun. I like to do this just because we do have some size with the headband, so I like to kind of also add to that with a really big messy bun. You could also do this with a more refined top knot. And then I am securing the sides of the scarf with some bobby pins and then kind of flattening the back a little bit. I like all of these looks to be really messy if you couldn't tell. So you can tailor this to whatever style you like if you want them to look a bit more refined. So for the next style, I'm going to be gathering the front sections of my hair up and bobby pinning them. So this creates more volume around my hairline and like the top of my head. Then we're going to pull all of our hair up again into a bun and go ahead and secure that with some bobby pins. We're going to be using this as a foundation for a few different styles. First, we are going to be tying the scarf, so it's just creating a headband type Rosie the Riveter look, and then I'm going to tuck the scarf ends underneath and then kind of clean up the back edge of my hair and secure the scarf with some bobby pins and then kind of pull out the bun so it's a little bit messier, and then that is the first look we're going to create from this. Then go ahead, take the scarf off and just wrap it around the bun. You can secure this as many times as you need. I do one tie in the front, one in the back. You could leave the little tails hanging out, or what I like to do is just kind of tuck them in so they're out of the way. Okay, so now we're going to be pulling our hair back again for some volume, but instead of creating a bun, we're then going to do that little loop trick we did with the scarf before, and we're going to secure our hair in a ponytail. This is just a really messy kind of like ponytail look that you could do. Like, say you had a scarf wrapped around your purse and you wanted to put your hair up, you didn't have a hair tie, like this is kind of what I would do. And I just keep wrapping the scarf around the front and the back just so it's nice and secure, and then I leave the little tails hanging out, and this is a really quick and easy ponytail. Another really quick and easy ponytail that I do, we're going to start off with the scarf around our neck, pull our hair up. This is a lower ponytail, and just gather all of our hair in the scarf, and I secure this one twice. Leave the little tails hanging out, leave my little layers hanging out. I like to tuck them behind my ears as well, and this again is something really simple you can do if you don't have a hair tie or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed all of my super simple and quick hairstyles using scarves. This is perfect for back to school, if any of you are going back to school. Also, this is incredible for like second, third, even fourth day hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in my next video.